there, my name is Jia. I teach English. And if you have stumbled upon this video by chance, I would ask you to stay till the end and let me know in the comments if this video was helpful to you in any way. Okay, so let's get started with today's topic. So today I've got 3-word expressions for you with and in between. Okay, so let's begin. So the first expression is ins and outs. Ins and outs means the details. Let's have an example sentence. You must consult somebody who knows the ins and outs of the industry if you really want to work there. Okay, P's and Q's. P's and Q's means manners. Okay, P as in please, Q as in thank you. Mind your manners, mind your P's and Q's at all times. Up and running. So when something is up and running, it is in action. Okay, example, our new project is up and running. Okay, pros and cons. Pros and cons means advantages and disadvantages. Whenever you buy something, you must look for the pros and cons of it. Okay, tried and tested. So when something is tried and tested, it means it is well tested and you know that it works. Okay, example, herbal soups are a tried and tested recipe for boosting your immune system. Okay, odds and ends. Now, odds and ends means small pieces of various items. Sometimes we have these screws, nuts, and from old machinery, knobs from drawers, and this collection of these small little things is called odds and ends. Okay, let's have an example sentence. He made a remote control car out of odds and ends he found in their garage. Okay, spick and span. Spick and span means very tidy, very clean. Example, her room is spick and span at all times. Okay, it means her room is very tidy, very clean all the time. Back and forth. Now, back and forth means to move backwards and forwards. Okay, to travel between two places. Let's have an example. I need an accommodation near my workplace. I am tired of traveling back and forth. Much like to and fro. Noughts and crosses is this game that we play. Okay, noughts and crosses. So now you know what it is called. What do you call this game? Let me know in the comments. Do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts basically means the rules. You must know the do's and don'ts of the game you're playing. I hope you learned something from this video. Okay, take care. Take care.